What's up YouTube, it's Alex Combow here, owner, CEO, and graphic designer of Snowbound Apothecary. Today I want to give you guys my 7 tips to help you reach for the sky. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Point number 1 for you guys today is be in constant improvement mode. Everything that you're doing, you should be trying to improve upon it. But while you're improving, you want to be able to know which goal that you need to keep in mind on top of your other goal and not just be trying to improve one area massively at a time. If you're trying to get a new job while you're trying to learn how to play the guitar at the same time, then you want to be able to do both of them together so that you don't lose the progress on the other one by losing your momentum. Point number 2, when it's time to dance, you nail that salsa. When your limelight is on you, you go forward and you nail it. You go fast, you go hard, and you go elegant and professional at the same time. If you're not being elegant and professional, then you are not portraying yourself correctly to the opposition or to your potential partners. Point number 3 is you hit at the perfect time. Timing is everything. If you're not following timing, if you're just constantly trying to hit at the wrong time, then you're going to notice that things aren't going your way a lot of the time. So you need to be able to look at something and see when it's the right timing to hit for this project and when it's the right timing to hit for this project. So you have a multitude of different projects that you have lined up and ready to go, and you say, all right, the timing is right for this project, so I'm going to try and push this project harder than I would push the other project. Point number 4 for you guys, be present to be powerful. You have to be living in this moment. When you're living in this moment, you can find that the 10,000 hour rule is more like the 5,000 hour rule. You gain a mastery of things so much faster, and your conversation, your communication skills, your ability to pull vocabulary out on the dot is so much better because you are fully here at each moment. Point number 5, it kind of goes with the last one. It is breathe in, release, say goodbye to stress. You can meditate and it builds your presence, it builds your power, it builds your character, it builds your individualism, it builds so many different aspects of you, and I'll record a different video on meditation in the future for you guys. Point number 6 is pretty simple. Focus on your goals. Keep your goals in mind, and like point number 1 says, be in constant improvement mode. So keep your goals in mind and be constantly improving upon yourself to reach your goals, and constantly reassessing your goals and improving your goals due to your current situation. Have short-term and have long-term goals. Your short-term goals should be within a year or 2 year span, and your long-term goals should be within 10 or 20 years, and you should constantly be taking the steps that you need to take to get to these goals. Point number 7 for you guys is minimize the impact of failures by owning the mistake. If you own the mistake in the first place, then you learn from the mistake and you prevent yourself from making similar mistakes in the future. If you don't think that there's an area that you messed up and something that happened recently that went wrong, then look at what messed up again from a different light, of the light of what can I do better next time around, and next time around you'll have a stronger capability and you'll be able to do what you need to do in the situation. That's all I got for you guys. It's short and sweet tonight. I'm at my family's house. I can't talk that loud. So tune in Monday. I got a better video for you guys Monday. Hopefully I'll have more energy. Leave a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.